Hello my dear students. Students, I hope today you will be very happy because I came with one very interesting chapter from class 7 and the chapter name is The Riddles, written by Walter de la Mare. Okay? Walter de la Mare. Okay? Now in this particular chapter it is very much many characters are there. Let's say 8 characters are there. We will see about each and every character, and if I speak about the author or the writer of the chapter is none other than Walter de la Mare. Now the riddle start. Riddle is puzzle. Riddle means puzzle. Okay, it starts like a fairy tale with such lightness and grace that one might expect a happy even after. Okay, happy ending, the ending. The end. Soon, however, it becomes apparent that the acquiring voice of the grandmother betokens something more than age, and the gifts she presents to her 7 grandchildren become more than sugar plums. Okay, students? So let me explain you the chapter. Students, ये एक ऐसा chapter है जिसमें कि you will feel lot of thrill, excitement. You may feel afraid also. Yes, it is a horror kind of story and it's very you may feel haunting like that. Okay, so you will really enjoy this chapter, but from starting you need to understand the chapter. Okay, and be ready to get afraid. Now this story is actually about 7 siblings. Siblings means whatever I'm explaining according to a textbook so that you will be able to relate to it. Who go to live with their grandmother. So there were 7 siblings, means brother and sister, and they went to live with their grandmother. Okay, so why they went to live with this mother? Why 7 children? ऐसा क्या हो गया था कि उन लोगों को जाके अपनी grandmother के साथ रहना पड़ा? Students, because their mother and father was dead. Okay, now we have to find out that what happened there with the grandmother. Okay, was every children alive, or was anything mysterious, or was there anything fishy? Now take a look, check on this. Now come to the first paragraph. First paragraph mein these 7 children, and what was the name of the 7 children? The name of the siblings were Anne, first of all Anne, Matilda. Okay, we can also pronounce it, is that Matilda. Okay, James, William, Henry, Harriet and Dorothea. Okay, so 7 children we got here. They came to live with their grandmother. The house in which their grandmother had lived since their childhood was built in the time of Georges. Now, time of George. Okay, now these were the 7 children who came to live with their grandmother at the time of Georges. Georges means at the time of Britain age or King George 1 to 4. बस इतना याद कर लो, इसमें कोई जरूरी है नहीं. It was not a pretty house but roomy, substantial and square. मतलब now here the author is describing about the grandmother's house. What she is telling that the grandmother house was not a very it was not a very pretty house. It was roomy, it was square. मतलब एक छोटा सा कमरा टाइप का था, dark type. Okay, and it was not that much pleasure to look at, not that beautiful. Okay, come to second paragraph. When the children had come out of the cab means taxi, 5 sitting inside and 2 beside the driver. So 5 were sitting inside, that is back of the seat, and 2 beside means bagal mein the driver. Okay, now Walter de la Mare was a male writer. Okay, that was my mistake, I told she. So I'm sorry from my part. Were shown into the grandmother's presence. Okay, so a taxi aata. In the taxi 5 were sitting just back of the seat, back seat, and 2 were sitting beside the driver. So 7 ho gaya. Now they came down from the taxi. They stood in a little black group before the old lady seated in her bow window. So when the car stopped, When the car stopped, they saw that grandmother was not outside. कोई नहीं था बाहर, and the room was, and the the outside scenario of the house was very dark, full of, and the outside lawn was full of trees, ivy, vines. जैसे होता है ना पेड़ में लटका हुआ and all that branches and all that. Okay, and they saw one old lady with open hair. Yeah, I'm not scaring you, but just listen. Old lady with her open hair and face dull, and she was very old. तो पूरा face में wrinkles and all, and she was sitting at just beside, just at other side of the window, and she was looking outside. Just उनका face देखा, and she was looking outside the window, and she asked them each their names, and she was in the window. Okay, and after that she stood, and again she sat, and she asked them each their names. Ki beta, tell your names one by one, and repeated each name in her kind. Cawing voice. Cawing means shaky voice. Just when people grow old, how their voices are very cawing, shaky, अजीब एक ढीलापन होता है ना voice में, like that. Then to one she gave a war box. एक लड़के को उन्होंने war box दिया. Work box. Work box here means tool box. कोई भी जैसे स्क्रू ड्राइवर जिसमें होता है that nails and all, काटी and all, वो पूरा एक kit that she has given. To William a jackknife. Okay, so one she has given a tool box, maybe important for exam, you have to remember. William a jackknife. Okay, one knife. To Dorothea a painted ball. To each a present according to age. And she kissed all her grandchildren to the youngest. Okay, so she used to ask their names. She used to give she started giving each one of them their own set of gifts according to their age, and she started kissing on their foreheads. Okay, as our grandmothers and our parents do with love. My dear, again she come to page number 35, students. My dear, she said, I wish to see all of you bright and happy in my house. I am an old woman, so that I cannot romp. Romp means I cannot play. Okay, because I am very old and you people are very young, so you can play better than me. Full of energy wala play. So I can't run behind you. So you better run. Okay, into the house. The house is yours. तुम्हारा ही घर समझो, and everything will be there. So please just go on with it. But Anne, you must look to you, and Mrs. Fenn too. Okay, Mrs. Fenn was a caretaker probably, and every morning and every evening you must come in to see your granny. She is telling that every morning, she has set the timing, every morning and every evening you have to come and you have to see your granny. और बीच का जो समय मिला वो तुम्हारा है. Okay, it could be brunch time, it could be that afternoon, mid afternoon and all that, till evening तुम्हारा समय है. जो करना है करो, खेलो कूदो and all that. She was instructing to her grandchildren, and always have the smiling faces that called back to my mind my own son Harry. That means we came to know her son name, that is the 7 siblings father name, and his name was Harry. Okay, but all the rest of the day, when school is done, you shall do just as you please, my dears. Look at this. Okay, now rest of the day, you have to come and meet me, and come and meet me with the smiling faces. Don't come with complaints. Don't come with that pain in your this eyes, that that sludging face with morrows. No, whenever you are coming to me, whenever you are coming to meet me, come with a smiling face, and it should remind me my son Harry. Okay, now this one was there, and there is only one thing. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज याद देखो, is important, and there is only one thing just I would have you remember in the large spare. I'm going slowly so that every student will understand. Spare bedroom. Student, spare means जो एक रूम हम लोग का एक खाली होता है, अक्सर खाली रूम ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ, that looks out on the slate roof. Slate roof means एक छत वाला area, upper area you can say. There stands in the corner of old oak chest. Old, not that chest of the body. Here chest means I'm speaking about a box. एक जो पुराना एक बॉक्स होता है ना, होता था पहले. ओल्ड मीन्स एक बक्सा, एक बॉक्स. An old oak chest. yes, older than I. और वो चेस्ट ना हमसे भी ज्यादा बूढ़ा है, बहुत पुराना है. When I came newly into this house, that chest was there before me. तो चेस्ट बहुत पुराना है, उस चेस्ट के पास जाना नहीं. Okay, my dears a great deal older than my grandmother. Oh my God, यही पर तो horror है. Older than my grandmother. Okay, so what is the mystery inside the chest? Look on this. Play anywhere else in the house. तुमको घर में जितना भी जहाँ भी खेलना है खेलो. But you can play anywhere in any of the corner you wish to. But not there. But not in that spare room. Never try to go in that spare room. It was a warning tone. Never go there. Okay, children? And never try to touch the chest, that box. Okay, but not there. She spoke kindly to them, all smiling at them. But she was very old and her eyes seemed to see nothing of this world. And इतनी वो बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी, she was so old, okay, that her eyes was full of wrinkles, and as if, you know, she is unable to see anybody. She used to bend and walk and everything. So you can imagine a very old lady before you people. Just you have to imagine. Come to next paragraph. And mind you, this is a part 1 of the explanation. And the 7 children, though at first they were gloomy means dark and strange, soon began. Now जब ये लोग सुन रहे थे, all the 7 children, okay, right from Anne to this Dorothea. Anne was the eldest one, I guess. Okay, Dorothea. तो they were very surprised, और सबको कहीं ना कहीं डर भी लग रहा था. They were full of fear and and they were afraid. But after some time, since they were children of not much age, so they started enjoying and they started playing, forgetting everything. At home in the great house, there was much to interest and to amuse them there all. Amuse means to make them happy. और ऐसा बहुत सारा चीज था जिससे कि वो लोग खुश हो रहे थे और एक्साइटमेंट था. कभी वो चीज, they used to see lot of, you know, they saw a lot of antique pieces collected by the grandmother. It could be swing outside the lawn, it could be trees, it could be you know, झूलास inside the house, the resting chairs, the rooms and all. तो ऐसा बहुत सारा चीज था, and they were thrilled to see all the thing. वो chest के बारे में, वो room के बारे में, they somewhere or the other they forgot. All was new to them. Twice every day, though the twice means 2, morning and evening, as directed by their grandmother, they came in to see the grandmother, who every day seemed feebler. Feebler here means weaker. Feebler here means weaker. Feeble also means thin. वो दिन ब दिन और बूढ़ी होती जाती ऐसा लगता. And she spoke pleasantly to them of her mother and her childhood. And every time when she used to sit morning and evening, she used to tell her old stories, as we do when you sit with your grandmom or grandfather. They often tell their old memories. We used to do this, your mother used to do that, your father used to do this, your father was very notorious. You know, अगर नानी दादी के साथ हम लोग मिलके बैठते हैं तो generally we talk like this. Okay, but never forgetting, okay, childhood, but never forgetting to visit her store of sugar plums. And so the weeks passed by. So this was a kind of sugar plums which she was having and she used to love.